Hello, this is Sean from Charisma Vehicles with a short little video of this little Fiat 500 that I'm going to put on eBay for sale, spares or repairs. It actually drives fine and I'm sure will make somebody a very good car. The slight downside for someone like myself as a motor trader is that to try and prep it to retail standard would just be, unfortunately, a little bit over the top, and I wouldn't be able to find a home for it. The main external issues you may have seen on the doors we walked past a moment ago is the passenger side door, the rear wheel trim, and down low on the sort of sill, if you like, is damaged. We've also got some damage down on that sill as well. It has recently passed its MOT, but therein lies the bigger issue for me. I'll put all the details on the listing, but it has got quite a lot of advisories, and as I say, although they're minor and would be fine for somebody, it's not something that I can economically do to retail this car and put a warranty on it. So selling it for spares or repairs, starting at a very, very sensible price. Good luck. If you'd like to ask any questions about it, or see some more photos, please do give me a call or send me an email. Very happy to do that. Let me quickly show you inside. So we have a red and cream interior. It will need a valet, particularly on the passenger seat, which is quite heavily stained. I don't know if you can pick that up. I'll start her up for you so you can see everything works in here. I have one key for this car, just one key. Bear that in mind, please. Done 98,229 miles. All history, or good history for sure. As I say, and it has just been MOT'd. Air conditioning does work. 5-speed manual transmission. Nice radio CD player at the top, if anyone still has CDs, I don't know. And there is an option for a port down here. Forgive me, you can see it needs a hoover and a hoover and a valet. But there you go. So Sean from Charisma, good luck bidding on this little car. Any questions, please give us a call, send us an email. Thank you, bye bye.